Buddha's Delight, a vibrant and flavorful vegan dish, holds a revered place in Chinese cuisine and Buddhist tradition. This culinary masterpiece, also known as Luohan Zhai, translates to Buddha's food or Arhat's food, signifying its association with spiritual purity and enlightenment. Far beyond a simple meal, Buddha's Delight represents a profound connection between food, culture, and spirituality, embodying the principles of compassion, balance, and mindfulness that are central to Buddhist teachings. The dish originated in ancient China, deeply intertwined with the practices of Buddhist monks. These monks, devoted to a life of simplicity and spiritual cultivation, found sustenance and inspiration in the plant-based bounty of the earth. Buddha's Delight, with its origins in temple kitchens, exemplifies the monks' resourcefulness in transforming humble ingredients into a nourishing and flavorful meal. Over centuries, this exquisite vegan dish has transcended its monastic roots, captivating palates and hearts far beyond temple walls. Buddha's Delight is more than just a dish. It is an experience, a culinary journey that invites us to savor the essence of Buddhist philosophy. The act of preparing and consuming this meal becomes an act of mindfulness, a meditation on the interconnectedness of all beings and the abundance of nature's gifts. Through its exquisite flavors and captivating history, Buddha's Delight offers a unique and delicious window into the heart of Chinese culture and the enduring wisdom of Buddhist tradition. Buddha's Delight holds a place of honor in Buddhist tradition, symbolizing purity, harmony, and the interconnectedness of all things. This vegan dish, free from animal products, aligns with the Buddhist principle of ahimsa, or non-violence, reflecting a deep respect for all living creatures. The act of consuming Buddha's Delight becomes an act of spiritual practice, a way to nourish the body while cultivating a compassionate and peaceful heart. The dish is traditionally enjoyed during Buddhist festivals, particularly the Lunar New Year, a time of renewal, reflection, and spiritual cleansing. As families gather to celebrate new beginnings, Buddha's Delight graces their tables as a symbol of good fortune, prosperity, and harmony for the year ahead. The vibrant colors and diverse ingredients represent the abundance and balance that Buddhists strive to cultivate in their lives. The consumption of Buddha's Delight during the Lunar New Year is not merely a culinary tradition, but a deeply spiritual practice. It serves as a reminder of the Buddhist principles of mindfulness, gratitude, and compassion, inviting individuals to approach the new year with a renewed sense of purpose and a commitment to living in harmony with themselves and the world around them. The dish's presence on the festive table signifies a conscious choice to align oneself with these values, ushering in a year filled with peace, prosperity, and spiritual growth. Purity is emphasized through the tradition of cleaning homes before the Lunar New Year, symbolizing the removal of past misfortunes and making way for new blessings. Harmony is fostered through the exchange of red envelopes and gifts, promoting unity and goodwill among family members and friends. Traditional dishes like dumplings and spring rolls, alongside Buddha's Delight, are prepared to symbolize wealth, prosperity, and the harmonious blending of flavors and relationships. The origins of Buddha's Delight can be traced back to the ancient temples of China, where Buddhist monks led lives dedicated to meditation, study, and spiritual cultivation. These monks followed a strict daily regimen, rising before dawn to begin their prayers and meditations. Adhering to a vegetarian lifestyle as a testament to their compassion for all beings, they relied on the bounty of nature for sustenance. Monks would often tend to their own vegetable gardens, cultivating a variety of plants. Buddha's Delight emerged from their ingenuity in transforming simple plant-based ingredients into a nourishing and flavorful meal. The preparation of meals was considered a meditative practice, with each step performed mindfully. The dish reflects the monks' deep understanding of the interconnectedness between food, health, and spiritual well-being. They believed that the energy and care put into cooking would transfer to those who consume the food. Ingredients were carefully selected not only for their taste but also for their medicinal properties. believing that food could be a source of both physical and spiritual nourishment. Monks often used traditional Chinese medicinal herbs to enhance the health benefits of their meals. Buddha's delight, with its abundance of vegetables, mushrooms, and tofu, provided the monks with the sustenance they needed to maintain their health and focus during long hours of meditation and study. The dish was often shared communally, reinforcing the bonds of brotherhood and mutual support. The monks' creation of Buddha's delight exemplifies their resourcefulness and creativity in the kitchen, transforming humble ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. Cooking was seen as an extension of their spiritual practice, with an emphasis on simplicity and purity. The dish became a staple of temple cuisine, providing sustenance and delight to generations of monks. It was often served during special ceremonies and festivals, symbolizing the monks' connection to the earth and their commitment to a life of simplicity and mindfulness. Its enduring popularity is a testament to the monks' wisdom in recognizing the power of food to nourish both body and soul. The legacy of Buddha's delight continues to inspire those who seek a harmonious and compassionate way of living. Buddha's delight is a symphony of flavors and textures, a testament to the creativity and culinary ingenuity of Chinese cuisine. The dish typically features a medley of fresh vegetables, mushrooms, tofu, and other plant-based ingredients, each chosen for its unique flavor and symbolic meaning. The combination of these ingredients creates a harmonious balance of tastes and textures, reflecting the Buddhist principles of balance and interconnectedness. Among the key ingredients in Buddha's delight are shiitake mushrooms, prized for their earthy flavor and believed to promote longevity and good health. These mushrooms are also thought to enhance vitality and boost the immune system. Lotus root, with its delicate crunch and slightly sweet taste, symbolizes purity and spiritual enlightenment. The lotus plant grows in muddy waters but emerges clean and beautiful, representing the journey to spiritual awakening. Bamboo shoots, representing resilience and flexibility, add a satisfying crunch to the dish. In Chinese culture, bamboo is also a symbol of longevity and strength, often associated with integrity and uprightness. Tofu, a staple of Buddhist cuisine, provides protein and embodies the principle of transformation, as it readily absorbs the flavors of the other ingredients. Tofu's versatility and ability to take on different forms and tastes make it a perfect metaphor for adaptability and spiritual growth. The preparation of Buddha's delight is an art form in itself, requiring a delicate balance of flavors and textures. Each ingredient is carefully selected and prepared to ensure that the dish is not only delicious but also meaningful. The ingredients are typically stir-fried lightly to preserve their freshness and crunch, while a flavorful sauce, often made with soy sauce, sesame oil, and ginger, adds depth and complexity to the dish. The sauce ingredients themselves carry symbolic meanings, with ginger representing warmth and energy and sesame oil symbolizing prosperity. The result is a culinary masterpiece that is both visually stunning and incredibly delicious. Each bite of Buddha's delight is a reminder of the rich cultural heritage and spiritual significance embedded in this traditional dish.